In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the syntax highlighter code block in WordPress. Whether you're a developer looking to share code snippets or a blogger wanting to display beautifully formatted code on your site, this feature is an essential tool for making your code stand out. Syntax highlighting not only makes your code more readable, but also visually engaging for your audience. If you're new to WordPress or simply haven't used this block before, don't worry, I'll walk you through every step. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can sign up easily using the link in the description below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to www.wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the login button. Click on that to enter the login process. Now, if your WordPress account is linked to your Google account, you can streamline the process by selecting the Continue with Google option. This is a faster and more convenient way to log in without needing to type in your WordPress credentials manually. From there, choose the Google account associated with your WordPress site. After logging in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. On the right-hand side of the dashboard, look for the option labeled Edit Site and click on it. This will take you directly to the site editor where you can make changes to your website. Once you're in the site editor, focus your attention on the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll find the Add button, which allows you to access new blocks and features for your site. Go ahead and click on it. In the search or input area that pops up, type in syntax highlighter code. This will help you quickly locate the block without scrolling through a long list of options. When the syntax highlighter code block appears as a search result, select it. This block is a powerful tool for formatting code snippets, as it highlights your code according to language specifications, making it easier to read and comprehend. Once you've selected the block, click on it to insert it into your page or post. Now that the block is added, it's time to include your code. Simply paste or type your code snippet directly into the syntax highlighter code block. The block will automatically format and highlight your code so it looks clean and professional. Finally, don't forget to save or publish your changes to ensure the syntax highlighting is applied to your site. If you're previewing the changes, you'll see how the highlighted code appears to your visitors, giving your site a polished and functional look. And that's how you use the syntax highlighter code block in WordPress. With this feature, you can display code snippets in a way that is both visually appealing and easy to understand. If you have any questions or tips about using this feature, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.